Hi, I'm Hal Kasanek. I'm the person who builds these Native American flutes out of ABS plastic, and I sometimes have some customers who get a little bit concerned about the plug that's inside the instrument, and I'm going to show you how to replace that. There's a little plug between the air hole here. I call it the air hole because when you blow in here, the air comes out here. This piece right over here actually has a little trough kind of built right into the plastic injection molded in there, and that clips over. It effectively takes the air that comes flying out of here and aims it back over here, over the fipple right over here, so you can hear the sound. It creates the disturbance in the tube and allows you to hear, creates the sound wave, etc. So placed correctly, everything sounds fine. The little plug that's inside is simply a plug that looks like this, and you'll note when you take it out that there is a concave section and there's the convex section. That section is flat. That flat section should come right up against the tone hole right here. You see that? I guess we're not showing it correctly. Yeah. Here's the tone hole, and this needs to come right up against the edge so that when you look inside, you could actually see the flat right up against it, okay? Let's see if I can get that so you can see that. It doesn't really show all that well, but believe me, it's right up against the edge here. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna find a piece of half-inch copper tube, or a lot less expensive. Here's a half-inch piece of PVC. And I'm gonna take out the existing plug. I'm just gonna push it out. Push it out from the blow area, the area that you blow into, okay? Just push it right out. Okay, it's out. Here it is. No sleight of hand here. That's it. Okay. I'm simply going to take it with, once again, the convex part is going to go, the flat end is going in, and I'm just pushing it with my thumb. So it goes right there. You see that? No problem. Then I take this and I push it down all the way so that you see it coming through here. See that? It's going a little further. Going a little further. Ah, I went too far. Notice? There. So I simply take this tube, put it back here on the other side, and bring it down to there. Pretty good. Now, if I went too far, I could always readjust it. You know, take it out, start all over again. Now we're going to simply put this piece back on top so that little cocapelli there is dancing over the tone hole, okay, and aimed correctly. And we got and there it is. Hope that helps. Bye-bye.